What's up, guys? My name is Ravi Shah. I'm with Haloway Property. We're a real estate company that specializes in wholesaling, but we have a knack for rentals and rehabs as well. I've been working for Patronecs for quite some time. He has helped me out to integrate all of my CRMs into Podio, where it's so easy for me to pull leads, track leads, and keep everything organized. He also has helped me do some cold calling, do some SMS texting, which has worked out perfectly fine. He's definitely a great resource to use, very affordable, and I highly recommend you guys to check him out. Thank you.